Hello everyone and welcome back to another gameplay classic tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your avatar on the Disney Speedstorm game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Disney Speedstorm game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you will see your avatar at the top left corner. Just tap on the profile icon alongside it, which is your username, and now this will take you into your profile page. Tap on the edit info button from this page, and first you will enter within the username section. Click on avatar from the top menu, and now this will show you various different avatars that are available. The ones that are unlocked will be shown in color. So tap on whichever avatar you wish to use, and once it is checked, you can simply go back and your changes will be applied right away. You can change your avatar as many times as you want at any point of time. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your avatar on the Disney Speedstorm game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.